ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi A bat ke bapau baha ke khod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum. Ke East Khasi Hills District lalong keladu na Pedengi District jangka jelak boleh shimbenta hak state level in the school athletic meet kebelalai sengi kebelalong hamadan nilai kaya jangka Sports Authority of India Nehu Shillong kebelalong ke overall champion dak bayok Khur kat atli kita Takma Ksiar rutli kita Takma rupa but lightly kita Takma renong. Yakini ke jingin kai sports jangki school bela penlong da ke Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ke Sarkar Jilla ringkat ke jingin trelang baka Meghalaya Athletics Association bela penkut no hakar pusau trip ujemang arajar pusau la sakhi ya ke jingin shimbenta hadu praspa khandangut kinong kai bekin thop ilai spa nyu khandangut ki shinrang pa sauspa khat aro ikinthe ringkat belai phundrengut ki team official Lapia yakini ke jingin kai haki light ligi kedan kata hal kedan under 14 under 16 but under 18 na ke benta ki shinrang bat ki kinthe Hakini ke sengi lasa kilang daga Secretary Jakatanat Revenue and Disaster Management ke Sarkar Jilla ke Kongmat Siudor War Nongbri ke Belalong Kongsan mat kiwe ki officer bekentop yo Assistant Director Jakatanat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Meghalaya ubak ki pasa Working President jang Meghalaya State Olympic Association ubak John F Kharchiyeng u Registrar jang Nehu Colonel Omkar Singh u Secretary jang Meghalaya Athletics Association ubak Finally Parian u Australian Olympian Uyan Campbell ki District Sports Officer bagi Technical Official jang Athletic Federation of India.
We see the vision of the sports department when it brought out the sports policy in 2018, the youth policy in 2021, and all the strategic objectives that it's laid down to ensure that the sporting vision of Meghalaya is met. Just like this tournament, it encourages competitive excellence. It looks at creation of elite and grassroots sports infrastructure, developing human resource in sports, takes care of the athlete and the coaches and their welfare, hosting regional, national and international sports events and tournaments, and obviously empowering all the stakeholders. All this together indicates a culture of physical fitness and sports through mass participation. I take this opportunity to highlight some of the programs of the department, and I see why. I'm sure most of you who are in the sports department or who are part of the associations or the athletes themselves would have been part of these programs. But I would like to highlight because, as I said from the beginning, we who are in the dais today did not get an opportunity like this. And I would really like to appreciate and congratulate the sports department for having taken up these amazingly important programs. And I hope that these programs will be the reason why you as athletes become champions at different levels of your sport.
40.63 meters or 41.02 meters. Is throwing the javelin to a distance of 51.88 meters. Winning. Thank you. 4.93 meters. Distance of 27.50 meters. 33 meters. Of 10.72 meters. A distance of 13.10 meters. District with a timing of 11.79. Gold. Best athlete under 14 boys.
We are Nirap. 1, 2, 3. Please wait, take the photo first. I request all our dignitaries present there to be. Meghalaya, we want to see Meghalaya. 1, 2, 3.
I do hereby declare the seat level in the school academic year 2024 closed. The next year.
Competition kalong compare competition nama balai compare mo kalong this time ni warna daki technical official giba di recognize technical official kita na po ka Athletic Federation of India deki kena ki nama ba kena ki ni alat ban sementara si national competition ko seperti lihat kita photo finish kepala recognize ke AFI so nak kalian ke department kalau lihat ke ba day nam tai kena normal kumni di coach ni sutu ya jeng company kena ki fees during ba ken let entry check national sementara ni this time first time baka changes ka dan normal ba ngi lihat kita photo finish with in collaboration with Meghalaya Athletic Association, teba kanjing yarap ta Meghalaya Athletic Association ila panawan ra ki AFI technical official. Oi man ka snap hi ka dan back changes. Tingi back improvement mental is this time lengi I kambun ka improvement. Then mana tumbang ila pack kat kum ka meet record ni record idan umba hadu khanre phanyo meet record baki create ni kana. Which is very good. Nomor ba daga jingwan jongka daga jing tre sitom jongka sai jing tre sitom jongka Khelu India Center ngidon district ni gi kena kila wan ba kumba matanga I changes kawan hana South Garo Hills which is kabakam ju mi menu ro menta this time ngaso hadu ka till this today ni yo adu pragon de kalong ka ka ba achievement ka ba ka ba pang santam kay nam ta department bangi iba ora sisay kata results kay nam tagi kena ki lalong very standard kar kam leka juki ka record ko bangi nga shu just check just now ngai iba even ka javelin ka kawang tang 29 28 now she's throwing with 33 she is a side athlete tangi ka 800 meter bon ki kena ki mi ba kay middle distance ka javelin ka high jump giyo bon ki kena Tisha ka kamde bakampau ki ni ki kena ki results tambah long ka competition haki national kala kham long tough te and plus now last few years we just ngidang training nak department ngila league center menta te ki kena ki yo ki job even though but ki la dan haki center district lo jong baki Khur India center ki la practice ni man kasngi de bo makin practice te nama kata ka facilities pat kumbakale ka kumbaki di banyo pat long kampat da don than ni ki marki district pisutu kan jenjar ground facilities kamde nama kimdan ka standard ground te kumba ngitip te mentang ida standard ta hasilong mentang ida shio hatura te I think within few years 2-3 years will be ki kena kin mi be mentang with this ka jing guna facilities ki kena ki yo medal ong bikim yo tambah ni ban fokus ba kai nang ni sakmat antara department baka association baka elite part me hoi kala kumba kala you kala kami ba performance ni kan but compete with Henry ka Kasanchi which is very good, he perform very well ka isay so kan ka jingdon jokaro imantar nginang plan ni kibun ki athlete nginang plan whether we can put them again in the elite